Today we're looking at the microgrid on a stock on the NASDAQ. And what I wanted to point out today, the idea of a fractal pair where you can time the market turns. Okay. We'll get rid of this one here. All right. Now, on the chart here, we have a standalone fractal, 1. And we have another standalone fractal 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have a similarity here from this to this here. All right. On the second formation, that would be the top, it will lag. And when we begin to decline, that would be your confirmation for a turn up here at 22, 26. Okay. So we have a turn. Okay. What will happen next? We have to wait for another fractal formation. We have a growth fractal right here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be another turn. So you have a turn here for a top, and then you have a turn here for the bottom. What will happen here, we don't know until we have a clearly defined fractal. Okay. Again, you can use the fractals on any market, any time frame, any instrument, and what we have here is a fractal pair for a turn right here. And then we had the growth fractal appearing here for a bottom turn. All right. We're looking on a weekly chart here. The trend, as of now, would be up until we find another fractal. All right. You want to look for the standalone fractals, which are very similar in nature, or you need to look at the standalone fractal as a semi-quasi. All right. Fractals, again, are very complex patterns. They're not going to be easily defined at times. And you can define your turns with limited risk when you're day trading, whether on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly. Again, a fractal pair here determines a turn, okay? And the turn will reverse when you have another fractal appearing. So the fractals determine the turning points, and they will define your risk. All right. Today we did a trade here, going long on the micro. Again, we don't know what's going to happen here until another fractal appears. If we break above the top of the channel here, we can go higher. We break the bottom here, that would be called a reversal, meaning you would have to exit and you can do a trade going down. Or you can put a sell stop times 2 here. It'll take you out of the long and put you into a trade going down. Today, on the other time frames, not too much appearing right now. Although we do have a possible slider bottom here, kind of forming. All right. Not completed yet. they do lag, and you have to wait until the form appears. All right, and then you can take a trade on that particular chart here. All right, so all during the day, you're mapping the market for the turns. And the other time frames, again, you can ignore them. Right now, currently, we only have the 20-minute time frame, which may bottom around here. If not, well, we'll probably go lower. Now that scenario will alter the fractal here. If we break 34 here, you'll have to exit the trade, and then you do the trade going down. We're breaking the channel. So channels are pretty important. You got the top here, and you got the bottom here. If we have to flip, um, the stop would be here. All right. So stop at 39. We're at 35. 4-point risk to short if that happens. We don't know yet. Hank Radicki, signing off.